Hi, everyone. Building a project plan in ClickUp is the best way to keep your team aligned and your goals on track. Here is the quickest way to get one started in 2025. Step 1. Navigate to your project. First, head to your ClickUp home screen. This is your central hub. Locate the specific project you want to work on and hover over the name until you see the 3 dots. Click those to open the hidden action menu. Step 2. Choose your template. From that menu, select Template, and then Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Project Plan and hit Enter. You'll usually see 2 main types. Detailed, best for large product launches with timelines and milestones. Simple, best for small teams or short-term task lists. Pick the one that fits your current needs and click Use Template. Step 3. Customize the setup. Now, give your plan a clear name so your team recognizes it immediately. Think of customization like rearranging furniture. Add or remove columns to match your workflow. Edit task names so they use the terminology your team actually uses. Apply colored tags to help prioritize categories at a glance. Step 4. Finalize and launch. Once you're happy with the setup, click Use Template again to load it into your workspace. Remember, you can use the drag and drop interface to rearrange items or swap checklists for due dates at any time. This is a living document. Nothing is locked in permanently. And that's it. Your dynamic project plan is ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.